Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm still doing the kitchen, and in particular this video I want to show you how to fit the plinths. There are these boards under the kitchen units that sits on the floor. So I'm going to show you how to cut it, how to fit it into place. So first obviously you need to measure the length of the plinth that you want to cut. Here is 120 because it's between two cupboards, and also the height. Like in the middle I've got 14 centimeters, but I need to check also the one side is also 14 and another side that I've got 14. If you've got the floor is not in level, so you have to be careful because on one side could be 13 or on the other side 14 centimeters. So if I've got in this case 14 centimeters, so then I would suggest to cut at least 13 and a half or even 13. So then you've got a little gap underneath. You won't see it because the plinths are more inwards, they're not flush with the door. And in the future if you want to pull out the plinth, so then you've got small gap so you can hook something and just pull it from here. If there's no gap, so it will be much difficult to remove the plinth. So when you cut the plinth to size, so 10, you can use something like, they call it plinth seal. So basically it's a piece of plastic which you install on the bottom of the plinth, like so. It's exactly the size as a plinth. This is just for the protection, just in case of flooding, so the plinth won't be getting wet and expand, as this is made of chipboard, and if it gets wet, so basically it's damaged and you can throw it to the bin. So then in order to fit the plinth onto the unit legs, so then you need this small plastic bracket with the clip. Obviously this goes onto the plinth, this goes in here, you need to slide it in like so, and then you just clip it onto the unit legs. So this should be in the middle of the unit leg. So we've got one here, one at the end, and one there on the other end. So we need to place one in the middle, roughly the middle of the board. Then two screws, not too long, as we don't want to go through up to the floor. Then just screw it. And now we can easily slide this bit in here. So this clip should fit this leg, obviously the side legs. So because in this unit I've got cooker, oven, and on the other side this is the fridge. So there has to be circulation behind this unit. So I need to fit this drill, basically two drills, because I've got these two units, into this board. So I need to pull out the board again. I'm using Allen key. That's it, job done. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.